Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the Bramework ChatGPT plugin to find SEO keywords, generate content briefs, perform SEO analysis, and doing a lot of search engine optimization tasks using ChatGPT. So Bramework is one of the best SEO ChatGPT plugins out there. And before I would show you an actual ChatGPT prompt you can use with Bramework, first let's see some use cases how Bramework can be used with ChatGPT. So I have a full article on how this plugin works and how you can use it. I talk about the best ChatGPT prompts, so make sure to check the article on that. But first let's talk about some use cases of the Bramework ChatGPT plugin. So as you can see, you can use the plugin for keyword research. So if you're planning to write a blog post or create a web page and want to optimize it for search engines, you can use the keyword data function to analyze specific keywords. And we're going to be able to see an example in the second half of this video that you don't have to use functions. You can use natural language to do keyword research with the Bramework plugin. You can find related keywords. So if you're looking to expand your keyword strategy, you can use Bramework to find related keywords to a specific keyword. You can use it for content planning, SEO analysis, and SEO extraction as well. So if you want to read the article and get some good prompts, I will link this article in the description below. And I also have a full database of all ChatGPT plugins and example prompts that you can use with these ChatGPT plugins. You can get access to this database for absolutely free. You can also find the link to this database in the description below. But now let's see some example on how to use the Bramework SEO ChatGPT plugin. So first, if you want to use any kind of ChatGPT plugins, you have to make sure that you are a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, because currently it's necessary to be able to access and use plugins. Then you also have to make sure that plugins are enabled in your ChatGPT account, and you can check that by clicking on your account name and selecting settings and selecting beta features, and make sure plugins are enabled here by checking that the toggle is turned on. Then you have to install the plugin you want to use. And in this example, I have already done that. But if you haven't, you have to click on Create New Chat, then selecting the GPT-4 model, then selecting Plugins, then clicking on this plugin icon here. Then if the plugin is not installed here, you have to scroll down and select Plugin Store and search for the Bramework plugin, and then click on the Install button here. So I've already installed it, so I can see it here, but make sure to install it. And last but not least, you also have to make sure that the plugin is enabled, because only 3 plugins can be enabled at the same time. So if the Bramework plugin is installed, you also have to enable it by clicking on this checkbox here. Alright, so let's see an example. So I've added the following ChatGPT prompt. Find me related keywords to the keyword affiliate marketing. Also include search volumes and keyword difficulty. For the keywords, select the keyword with the biggest potential and create a content brief using that keyword. So let's see what the plugin can do with this ChatGPT prompt. So click on generate, and if the Bramework plugin is enabled, we're gonna see a green cell here. So as you can see, using Bramework, we added the keyword here, and as you can see, it's giving us a keyword list, a related keyword list with search volume and keyword difficulty. So the keyword we have provided is affiliate marketing with more than 100,000 searches per month and with a keyword difficulty of 100. And it's also giving some other related keywords. So what is affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing programs? And so these are all big keywords with a lot of search volume but with high keyword difficulty. And now it's selected this keyword, what is affiliate marketing, a free virtual event, which is kind of a weird keyword. But of course you can always separate a longer prompt to separate prompts. So in this example, what I would do is I would select the keyword. So I would just ask Bramework to come up with 10 related keywords, and then I would select the keyword that I want to use and create a content brief with, because I didn't really like this keyword it has come up with, this what is affiliate marketing, a free virtual event. This is an error I think here, but anyway, it's created a content brief for this keyword. So what is affiliate marketing? The importance of affiliate marketing, introduction to a virtual event. So this is not a good keyword it has selected, but anyway, you can see that you can use the Bramework ChatGPT plugin to create content briefs, do keyword research, get search volume data and keyword difficulty. So all in all, this is how to use the Bramework SEO ChatGPT plugin. If you want to learn more about this plugin, make sure to check out the article in the description below. And as I mentioned, if you want to get access to all available ChatGPT plugins, finance plugins, and what kind of prompts these plugins can be used with, and some use cases you can use these plugins, you can also check out the link to that database in the description below. And if you want to learn how to use certain ChatGPT plugins, make sure to check out my YouTube channel where I have a ton of tutorial on ChatGPT and ChatGPT plugins.